Hey everyone, today I want to share some surprising facts about sneezing. You might not know that sneezing can be more than just a sudden loud noise. In fact, it can have some serious consequences if not handled properly. Sneezing with extreme force can potentially lead to rib injuries, including bruising or even fractures. The sudden intense pressure and muscle contraction can put stress on the rib cage. Trying to hold back a sneeze can lead to serious complications. The increased pressure can cause blood vessels in the head or neck to rupture, leading to potentially life-threatening consequences. Suppressing a sneeze can also lead to other complications, such as ear or sinus damage. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.